ICICI Bank launched a fully digital EMI plan to be made available at leading retail stores in partnership with Pine Labs. Formerly called ICICI Bank Cardless EMI, the bank stated that this facility replaces debit or credit cards and digital wallets with mobile phones and PAN, making it easier for their pre-approved customers to purchase appliances of their choice. Rating agency ICRA in its latest report stated that the contraction in India's GDP may be narrowed down to 9.5% in the second quarter of the current fiscal year. ICRA's principal economist Aditi Nair said that a significant recovery in the manufacturing and construction sector is expected to be the main reason behind the improvement in the performance of the industrial GVA in Q2 of current fiscal. The Union Health and Family Welfare Minister Harsh Vardhan said that the vaccine for coronavirus will be ready in the next 3 or 4 months. The Health Minister, while addressing the FICCI FLO webinar on the shifting healthcare paradigm during and post-COVID, pointed out that the administering of the COVID-19 vaccines would be done on the basis of scientific data. He added that the priority would naturally be given to the healthcare workers and corona warriors, followed by the elderly and sick. India's market regulator has filed a petition with the Supreme Court asking it to direct Embattled Sahara conglomerate chief Subrata Roy and 2 of his companies to deposit Rs 62,600 crore which was due to its investors. SEBI told the Supreme Court that Sahara had failed to comply with 2012 and 2015 court orders to deposit the entire amount it collected from investors along with 15% annual interest. With the rise in COVID-19 cases in Delhi, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced the hike in penalty from Rs 500 to Rs 2000 on Thursday for people not wearing masks in public. He requested people to celebrate Chhath Puja on November 20th at their homes. Kejriwal also announced regarding the functioning of private hospitals in Delhi. With all non-emergency surgeries to be postponed, the Delhi hospitals are to reserve 80% of ICU and 60% of non-ICU beds for COVID-19 patients. Kia Motors India has reportedly recalled few diesel units of Seltos over faulty fuel pump issues. The recalled units were manufactured between October 1, 2019 and March 13, 2020 as per Rushlane. The damaged fuel pumps could either include a hole in the lower end of the filters or a crack in the plastic at the cylindrical head of the filter. The problem makes the car vibrate more than usual and causes problems during ignition. It can also reduce the vehicle's pickup.